Let me show you how to pull off white eyeshadow. You'll need a fluffy blending brush. You'll need a flat shader brush. You'll need a white eyeshadow. And optional, you can use a cream white eyeshadow. I will use this and powder. If you would like a soft white eyeshadow look, go in straight with just powder. I'm gonna go in with this liquid eyeshadow as a base for the white. This will make it more intense and it will last a lot longer. I'm going to use a flat shader brush to apply to my eyelid. You want to go straight for the eyelid and then blend into the crease. Wow, look how pigmented that is. This is beautiful. Switching to a fluffy brush, I'm just going to fluff the edges and blend that into my crease before this dries, because they do dry a little bit fast. Now I'm going to grab white with the shader brush and I'm just going to press that straight onto the eyelid, just like we did before, and then blend that into the crease. So you can leave it just like this, throw on mascara and liner, and you have a whole look. To amp this up, I'm going to add brown to the outer part and to my crease.